Ayan, Sisi, after no first two games nyo ngayon, first set pa lang, umarangkada na yung team. Ano yung naging adjustments and difference this game na naging ganito kaganda yung laro nyo?
Alam nyo, na-amaze ako sa mga teammates namin ngayon kasi ang bilis mag-adjust and parang pare-pareho lang kami talaga ng role. Kung ano yung kailangan gawin, pinupunan. Which is, ang bilis na yung maka-adjust. Lalo na led by Ate Gia. Kaya, ayun, thankful ako sa kanila kasi sobrang napapadali yung trabaho namin.
Anong masasabi mo dun sa dalawang pumasok ngayon sa starting six, si Cherry tsaka si Vanny? Nag-step up din talaga sila kahit hindi sila masabi naglaro ng first two games.
Kahit sino naman ipasok, alam naman namin na magkukontribute talaga. And ako masaya ako sa naging performance namin for the past 3 days na nangyari, laro namin. Sobrang nakikita talaga ng 1 week preparation, 4 na araw lang ata talaga yun. Pero ito kami, nilalaro namin yung volleyball na talagala namin yung bansa namin. Siguro yun din talaga yung inspirasyon namin kasi iba na to eh. May Philippines na nakalagay. So dito kami umuhulot na lakas.
Going into the tournament, medyo wala masyadong expectations kasi nga short preparation. Pero sigurado lang yung mindset ng team. 3-0 na kayo and pumunta na rin kayo sa semis.
Lagi lang nire-remind sa akin lagi lang nire-remind sa amin ni Ate Gia na maglaro lang kami ng aming yung pinaka-comfortable namin and kailangan lang namin rumisib ng maayos and the offense will follow. So, ayun lang, siguro maganda lang din yung pag-lead niya kasi lahat kami nakikinig lang and sumusunod, which is lumalabas naman.
Nagagawa. So for me, it's a big privilege for me na maging part ng national team. Lalo na itong batch na to kasi sobrang ganda ng performance and yung gustong ilabas ng mga bata nakakatuwa, nakaka-inspire, nakaka-proud sila.
From Lasal Dasma to the national team, ano yung masabi mo sa journey mo?
Hindi siya madali. Actually, knowing na hindi ka naging part ng NCAA and UAAP, hindi madaling bumuo ng pangalan or something na yung ibang tao nagugulat pa sang galing tong tao na to. So parang for me, happy ako sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko mula umpisa, step by step, and kung saan man ako nandito ngayon at kung saan papapunta yung journey and yung career ko.
Thank you, Terry!
Yeah, but it's a part of a game, you know, we control our side. Since when we play hard, the errors go to the other side. This is a part of the match. Sometimes we do mistakes, sometimes we do errors, but it's a part of the match. But you know, it's also, even doing a lot of mistakes, it's a tough team. Even with straight sets, you have to play hard all the time. That's it. That's good.
Coach, what can you say about your new starters like Vanny, Cherry, and some of your players delivered today?
Look, all these guys here, they are really good. The question is that you have game day after day. So we will make a schedule for the players that you can choose. For tomorrow we're going to change many other players. But you see, these guys will keep the level. They keep the level always. They're really good. I'm proud of them.
Naka-deliver ka ng mga crucial points sa team.
Siyempre po, I do everything naman po with every chance na I can get. Kaya nung pinasok po ako, all I can think is para sa teammates ko, para sa coaches ko, para sa bayan nila ko.
Experience mo rin last year facing ganitong competition.
Yes.
Pero sobrang different na. How does it feel to be last year?
Number